Hello good people, welcome to Crane Food Service Solutions. I'm Chef Robby Hooker. Today we're going to be talking about all the solutions Waring has for blending, prepping, cooking, and brewing. First we're going to start with blending. Waring has many blending solutions. This is just one of them. This is the variable speed blender. We also have an enclosed drink blending machine that cancels out sound. We also have just a basic blender for a bar blender. First we're going to talk about Waring's PrepX variable speed blender. With the basic operation of all blenders, first thing we'll do is we're going to plug it in, and then you'll notice we have a power switch, on-off switch. On the variable speed, we can either go variable or pulse. If we're in variable, here's our speed dial that we can change the speed. Very highly constructed, durable container. You can put just about anything in here, salsas, chickpeas. Really quick cleanup. First we're going to make sure and unplug the unit. Take off the canister, clean out whatever's inside, and then either wash it through a commercial dish machine or through a 3-compartment sink, wash, rinse, sanitize, let it dry, and then we're back for more solutions. We also have the immersion blender. This is the Bolt battery operated. We also have those with cords. We also have the big sticks that are variable speeds as well. This is a great little handheld unit. Very easy for sauces and small applications. This will take care of it. Salad dressings, you name it. For cleaning the handheld immersion, all the handheld immersions, the blades simply come off. We can now wash this separately through a commercial dish machine or a 3-compartment sink, wash, rinse, sanitize. And then on the handles, we'll just want to wipe with a gentle, mild detergent and a rag, no abrasive scrubbies or anything like that. And then let them air dry, and then they're ready for the next task. We also have the Waring drink machine. Comes in a 1 canister, a 2 canister, and a 3 canister. This here is a 2 canister. It also has variable speeds. It can also pulse. It also has timers on it where you can set. It will go through the coldest, hardest ice cream and make the most smoothest drinks you can imagine. To clean, very simple. Simply remove the canisters. I like to put some hot soapy water in here. Put this back on. Run the machine. Take this off. These can go through the commercial dish machine or a 3-compartment sink. And then make sure the unit is unplugged. Then I'll take hot soapy water and towels. Wipe all this down, wipe the sides. You'll notice everything is sealed, okay? So I can wipe and clean everything off. Let it air dry, and then I'm ready for more drinks. Thank you. For any questions on Waring's blend category, please reach out to your Crane rep. Take care.